altitude sickness, it's hallucinogenic. So the tent's like moving as I'm laying in it, but I'm great.
Hi. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, let me get some music going. Do 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 do. What am I listening to? I was listening to a podcast. A podcast. I think it's a UK podcast, Sesh. Good morning, David. Man, good morning, Josh. Hello, hello. What the hell are you doing this morning? I was listening to a podcast, and it was at the end of the podcast, and she was telling a story. So, good morning. Good morning, Tash, Fufu. Hey, Gary J. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. See, I'm surprised there's a stock that is called FUFU, and we've never talked about this. This is disappointing from my point of view. Disappointing. Yep, disappointing. Gail, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. HSDT. Yeah, let me pull up HSDT. HSDT. Bitcoin looks nice this morning. Well, overnight. I think we kind of talked about that last night. That it was going to happen, just because that's what it usually does. BTC is what I'm looking for here. HSDT actually. Never mind. Yeah, that's a nice little pop. A nice little pops. Not bad. But yeah, no, BTC looks nice though. So we hit new. I keep saying 52-week highs, just because it's kind of a nice metric to use. But yeah, so BTC hit new 52-week highs. KV, good morning. Show, good morning. Lynn, good morning. Good morning, Joe. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 3.5, Joe, already? I'm telling you, Joe. You're leaving me behind, Joe. Come on, my brother. My goodness. China is pushing the 22 BTC ETFs that are coming out. Yeah, I saw something last night too that the Nikkei was breaking the 40s, hitting new highs or something like that. So, yep. The rally continues, Josh. The rally continues. What's Doge and BTC and Shiba? Oh wow, Doge is above 16 now. Oh yeah. So Doge broke that resistance, which is violence, and then Shiba also went to 26, 27. Yeah, Shiba does a lot better, but that's because again it's a smaller project, so it has a whole bunch of zeros on it, so it's easier for that to push up more than So, anyways, I'm gonna. That's a very nice run. That's a very, very nice run. Let's see. La la. And see. There we go. Yeah. Meme coin caution. Yeah. Yeah, they've done really, really well. Let me pull up a chart here for Doge and Shiba, because I'm sure we're gonna get questions at some point today too. Yep. Where did we run to? 1640? 1640. That's not too bad, is it? Nope. Actually, that the 1 minute? Yeah, that's the 1 minute. So we pushed all the way to 17. 17, 20, 17, 20. Let's say 17, 20. Ooh, wee. And then Shiba. Shiba Inu Dinu. All the way to 28. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wild. Uh, who? Where? Why? Why are we kicking Pepe? Why? Okay. Put options and save market opener turn down. Like recap down. Yeah. So save. So JetBlue terminated the buyout of yep, Spirit Airlines. Oh, save. Yeah, same. So unfortunate if anybody's holding that, right? But honestly, after those guys had issues with getting that, the SEC did say, like, if they do that, then they're eliminating competition. So that in itself was a problem already. It looks like it's down 15% pre-market. So not goods, not goods, not goods. Yep. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they can shake out, shake off the negativity and then run at some point. Fun has done really well though, right? We knew this thing would run at some point, right? Um, Fun is way too much of a hypey name to just split and go to the abyss, right? We split, went from $9 to $6, from 9 to 6, right? And then this morning, boom, skis back to 9. So especially into Tuesday, which is what we wanted to see, right? Super Tuesday. So fun is going to be something we keep talking about. It's a good thing that it's sold off now, because the upside could be there. When we rallied last week, I think we pushed all the way to 999. So that's going to be a potential breakout level. So we're going to be watching that closely. Alrighty. And then obviously DWAC tomorrow and stuff. DWAC and stuff. Safe. And then, okay, what else? It does seem like a bit of a slow morning, doesn't it? Like there's not a standout yet, which is fine. Which is fine. Safe to say they crashed. Well, have you seen that video of there's a video somewhere on the internet? It's like the weather's not good and all the planes are grounded, and then Spirit Airline takes off. See you in the spirits. Good morning, Jeff. Good luck as well. Just watching. Okay. Are you still on vacation? TC? Oh my goodness, TC. Good to see you. How are you? Good morning, Justin. Fun Doge, your Monday casino calls. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, no, Doge is doing well this morning, right? So, well, they pushed to 17 and then came back down. That 16 obviously was a massive break zone. So hopefully it can stay above 16. And then Shiba just needs to stay above like the 24s, 23s. So looks nice. And Bitcoin just needs to stay above that previous high. 64, 65, stay above. Either way, again, I don't think anybody's really concerned about any red candles on BTC for now. Oh, really, Jeff? Damn. Oh, my goodness. Soccer or hockey? Damn, that's not good, Jeff. Uh, I last watched you in 2021. Since let's go. Mind. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Uh, had to watch the madness. Yeah. No, we were on last night talking about Doge, SHIBA, and BTC. And this morning they both, everything went boom, 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 broke above resistance. So everything went boom skis. So hopefully Doge can get back above 17 now, or just stay above 16, consolidate, and then go for 20 cents. I feel like Doge above 20 cents would bring chaos. Like people are gonna be so hyped. So hyped. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening? When do we go back to 75 cents? Skiing? Oh, Jeff, that's so annoying. Yeah, hopefully he heals quickly. Yeah. Jerome, good morning. Thank you, Jerome. Thank you. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash the like, share the link. Smashing the like really helps. It's free and good for the algo. So yeah, smash the like, please, and thank you. Share the link as well if you want to. And yeah, again, happy Monday. And if you have any questions, please make sure you ask, right? Because we're going to be talking about all these different things, from stocks to crypto and whatnot. So make sure if you have questions, you're asking, right? FUN looking good, Travis. Yeah, FUN had a nice gap up this morning. It's dipping for now, but again, it's up 23%. It's done really well. So I don't think anybody's overly concerned. QNRX looks like it's trying to consolidate above $5, which is good, right? So finally consolidating there above $5. So let's see if we can consolidate and stay above that level already. I'm gonna post because I know someone was. My charts are a little bit messy now, so I'm gonna have to clean them up at some point. And then there's a left hand side pivot. It looks like it wants to break it. In a row, 2021. Forgot you existed. Is stay hydrated, drink water. Thank you for the reminder. Yo, Mo. Number 23, love it. Thank you very much. Yeah, so QNRX is really curling up that 5 and it's pushing for 6 now. So that's nice. That's very nice. Again, depending on the time frame, but so today as the day goes on, you're gonna see something cool on my charts today. You're gonna see the bots in action. Okay, I'm gonna need to play with the settings because I haven't. But so the when you see the red, and this is something that as when you play with stonks, you have to. But so again, like the red will be like the bot shorting stuff, and then the green will be the bot going long. So right there, you can see that the bot again initially shorted right on the demand zone, so not the best, right? But then it reversed that immediately and went long, right? So again, the bot doesn't care. This is why bots do really well, right? Because they really don't care about like being wrong, right? If they're wrong, they make a decision immediately and then go the other way, right? So clearly it was wrong, right? And it said, you know what? Not good, not good, not good, right? Let me go long instead. And it went long and then took profits, right? So that little purple line you see there, that's the bot taking profits. It's like, yep, give my monies, I'm out of here, right? So there you go, right? So that's your long signal at the bottom there, and then that's your profit take. So you're gonna see that happen. You're gonna see that happen quite a bit today. Long and short on everything, right? So you can kind of see the same thing here for FUN, right? Short and long, right? So the one thing that's really good about stuff like this, stuff that's out of your control is especially for like computers is you can set the rules. You can say, you know what, and you know what's really cool. Let me pull up something else. Let me pull up BTC's dipping back to 65 again. I don't think anybody's overly concerned. Chefman, good morning. Let me pull up like something that's really liquid and what it's actually set up for. So let me pull up like an NQ. Okay, let's pull up an NQ and let's look at. So this is you wanna see what the bot has done for net profits. Net profits, okay. That's how much money the bot has made. Okay, that's how much money the bot has made. 36. Okay. Number of trades 426. Takes a lot of trades, right? So you want to know what's even crazier? You want to know what's crazy is it's made 36. Okay, and this is the beauty of like the toughest part about trading is the psychology of it, right? It's the emotions. Is people panic, people make like decisions based on emotions, right? So so again, look at that, right? Look at that 36. It's playing with two contracts only, Mo. Two contracts. That's the max it's allowed to do. Only two contracts, right? So again, net profit, number of trades. Look at the win percentage, by the way. Look at the win percentage. Profitable, percent profitable, 59%. It's not the best, is it? Right? It's not the best. So it's made 36 on 59%, right? Look at how much money it's lost. Look at how much money it's lost though, right? On 60%, it's lost $700. How much is it made though, right? So now you wanna look at the list of trades that it's made. Okay, so this is the list of trades it's made, right? It doesn't care about like hitting the home runs, right? The what it's gonna do is it's gonna say I take an $80 loss or I make $200. One of the two. I will follow the rules. I make 80 or I lose 80 or I lose 200. I lose 80 or I make 200. Look at that. So the white ones are the monies it makes, and then the red one is like when it loses, right? Two contracts max, right? $200 in gains. I lost $80. I lost $80. Made $200. Lost 80. Lost 80. Right? And then again, that's actually a lot of times it lost 80s. I think that might have been last night. We need to find the date for that because there are a lot of losing trades there, right? But again, and then there are a lot of winning trades here, right? So depending on how the market, there are a lot of winning trades there, right? But anyways, yeah. So we can talk about that later. Alrighty. There you go. There you go. Anyways, moving on. I'm sure you guys are gonna have questions at some point as the day goes on, but fun. $8.80. QNRX. Nice little pop. It filled at $6.20. Wait. Okay, no, that's just profit taking. Okay. Good morning, Richard. Could SHIBA do what Doge did and hit 10 cents, do you think? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, we have 28 minutes before the market opens. La. 550, 555. Let me go back to the charts. 555. Okay, yeah, like the retest of the breakout, the little VWAP almost. Yeah, and then just get back above these stupid highs at 666, 620, 630. Push back for $7. Maybe another 10-year hold. Okay. La la la. With this on its Saturday, doctor that he was at it too. No wonder he's a goalie. Oh my goodness, Jeff, that's scary. Huh? Take a look at HSDT support and resistance. Sure. Sure. So for now, this morning, it looks like it's been bouncing off of what is that? $6? Yeah, $6. Anywhere from 660 to 650 would be the level to watch for support. And then if you look to the left hand side, you have a double top at $7.60. So it's quite the range, isn't it? But that's what it's done over the last 30 minutes. All right, so it's been down here twice now, a double bottom almost. Right, so closer to again 660, 650. It looks like it's almost giving you a higher high this time, right? It's almost creating a higher double bottom there. At 680. So maybe watch that level for a second, but then you have that resistance right there. So $7.60. Right? Where's the please? What happened? Make no mistake though, like I'd like to see SHIBA burn a whole bunch of zeros. So there we go. Oh lordy. Hopefully my spy puts a green this morning. Hopefully the S&P doesn't decide to. I hope that's it. I hope that's it. I need my damn puts to be green. Unbelievable. Rubbish. What's this, Josh? Can you call somebody and crash the markets, Josh? Please. Can you call them and say hello? This is enough. Enough is enough. Yeah, we need dipskis. Yeah. You're crazy enough to hold it for 10 years? I mean, why not? if again it's money that you're willing to lose and you're diversified and you're holding some other things too, you're not all in on SHIBA. Sure, that's completely up to you, right? So okay, let's move on here. BBAI. You're looking for support. This thing is another gap up on this stock. My goodness, another gap up. Is that 52-week highs? Yeah. Well, it did this morning. It retested those 52-week highs. So your resistance is 418, 420, which is very common, right? So that's your resistance for now. You're asking for support. It's tough looking for support at 52-week highs, at resistance. Because I think you're looking for an entry. But for now, though, if I was looking for an entry into this, I'd be looking at this level and saying, okay, that's kind of this area is your breakout area. So maybe if we come back closer to 390, and then go from there. Do you think ME stock will ever bounce back? What's your entry price, Salty Biscuit? What did you get in at? Annette, ayo, good morning. Good morning. YGMZ. Interesting. What are we doing here for QNRX? Still sitting up there? Yep. And BTC is below 65. The market's kind of sold off at the same time too as Bitcoin there. Yep. Agreed. Agreed. You got in at $1.11? Okay, I'll take a look. Okay, so ME 23 and me, you got in at $1.11. Ooh, Lord. Yeah, these guys said to me that they were struggling, right? So yeah, I mean it's at all-time lows, right? So if this thing was going to balance, it has to be now. Um, right? All-time low 54 cents. So you need that thing to really stay above 54 cents, because if it doesn't, you're now sitting in no man's land, right? But the time is now. You know, you can do that Eminem song. Knees weak, arms sweaty. Anyways, palms are sweaty, weak. Anyways, however the song goes, the time is now. You had one chance. So 54 cents needs to needs to hold for this thing, otherwise you're in trouble. These guys obviously have a lot of negativity. So. Congratulations, Hannah. Yeah, BTC's done well overnight. Now you're craving mom's spaghetti. Yep. Yeah, 65 cents. You need Doge above 22, and then you have to decide to get out or buy the next drop and hold. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, again, Doge is selling off this morning because BTC is selling off, and so is SHIBA, but they're still sitting above some key levels. Um, so hopefully, wondering if SHIBA is a good idea. Yeah. I mean, we kind of talked about this last night, right? I think Doge has a community. Doge has a better looking price, but Shiba actually does stuff. From a utility point of view, Shiba is the better project, isn't it? But Doge is the OG though, so that community is always going to be there. 6,700. Okay. Thinking of selling for Shiba. You think you're thinking of selling some, and then see the tough part about, if you did that at the bottom, mind, if you did that at the bottom, you'd be very happy right now, right? Because again, if I let me pull up like the crypto, let me pull up crypto bubbles here. So, if let's say if you did that a week ago, right? Um, let me see here. I don't know why this isn't updating quick enough, but my goodness, that's so stupid. Anyways, if you did that a week ago, a month ago, let's say a month ago, right? So even though like these things really haven't been running for them for that long, um, where's Doge? I'm looking for Doge here. So obviously Shiba is up 190%. Focus. Good morning, right? 190%. And then Doge is up. Look at Pepe. Pepe is up 668%. Jasmine is up. Oh my goodness, wild. Doge is up 100%, right? So Doge has gone up 100%. Shiba has gone up 190%. So if you did that a month ago, you'd be very happy. The problem with doing that now is you're selling one to go buy another one that they're both sitting at the highs, right? So it makes it a little bit complicated. Every time I look at this one's so funny. Look at the ticker symbol, right? So I say ticker symbol, you know what I mean, right? Look at that. WWWIF. What does that stand for? It stands for dog with hat. That's what it stands for. Dog with hat. Funny, isn't it? But guess what? It's up 500%. That's the beauty of crypto. Is you can stupid stuff goes sky high. Crystal, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Happy Monday. Will, good morning. Good morning. Then stocks today. Crypto is more interesting. Yeah, we're gonna keep going back and forth and looking at whatever we need to. Yeah, no, Shiba has done well. Well, there goes another scalpy for the bots on Doge. Oh yeah, it got rid of that long. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, HSDT, not really doing much. It's sitting in like just below that supply zone, so that's going to be a problem. We have about another 15 minutes before the market opens. It's a bit FUFU. Yeah, FUFU is Greg. It's wild that there's a stock that's called FUFU. Bit FUFU. Bit FUFU. FUFU. Yeah, it's dropping into the open though. The last time I looked at this, it was at $13, so it's lost a dollar. Lost a dollar. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? It could be a stock, it could be crypto. What's your favorite name going into the open? Long-term crypto portfolio this week. Long-term gains. Mixi. Okay. Yep. What's your favorite name going into the open? Jill, what's your question on PBM? What's your question? What's your question? Greetings. Greetings, Kimbella. Stepchild Farm. BTC is your favorite name today? Okay. Shiba Kimbella. BTC plug. Okay. Opposite of BTC, Crystal? That's interesting. I'll take a look. I didn't know the day will come. The buy FUFU in stock. I know. How the hell did we not know that though? Olu. How the hell did we not know that? FUFU. Did FUFU. The name is amazing. Oh my goodness. I would have forwarded to that thing if I saw that name earlier. Unbelievable. ETH is a powerful name. Yep. Yeah, see, SMCI is getting listed on the right. So SMCI, yeah, Roma, yeah, SMCI is still above 1,000. So these guys are getting added onto the S&P, right? S&P. Hi Ham. What about Shiba? What's your question? If you're holding something, just let me know. Like, I'm holding this, I'm thinking about this, I have a question. Otherwise, because we've talked about Shiba, we talked about Shiba on Friday night, Sunday night, this morning. So when someone has a new question, I'm not quite sure what the question is or what we're missing. So yeah, please clarify your questions. Ayo Pyros, good morning. We haven't heard of it. Nemo, good morning. Retired. You guys are IBITs? Yes, retired Fido. Fido? Anyways, Virgo, good morning. Ayo, how are you? Let's see. Yeah, no, Ray, good morning. Yeah, if you have a question, please clarify. Yeah, no, FUN. We knew FUN would run. That's why we kept talking about FUN. Every day last week, we talked about FUN. Every single day last week, right? We would celebrate FUN crashing, and then on Friday, it stopped crashing. So from a risk trading Friday. Oh yeah, that's why. That's why it's brand new. Damn it, Pablo. Aris was on the list when we looked at it. I just didn't know that was the name change because I never looked at the name change. Because right? Greetings, Kev. No. Yeah, Mixi. Yeah. Next couple of weeks, caution with side. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. But they're long-term holds. They have to be because a lot of those space companies, they don't make money and they burn cash because they're still growing, still trying to get to so they burn a lot of monies. No. You're holding Shiba. What's my prediction? Well, Shiba looks really good for now. So we talked about Shiba last night. There goes 26, almost back to 27, right? So if I pull up the daily really quickly for Shiba, again, as Bitcoin continues to go, you can't just look at Shiba on its own or look at Doge on its own. Shiba and Doge only broke out last night because Bitcoin broke out. Bitcoin is sitting at brand new highs. So you have to pay attention to Bitcoin as well, right? But again, so we talked about this resistance. So if I go all the way to the left-hand side, our last resistance was at like close to 20, 27, 28-ish, right? So that's kind of where Shiba is sitting for now. You can kind of see that red zone, right? This little red zone you have here, that's your resistance for Shiba, right? So we're sitting in there. We're sitting at resistance. So hopefully Bitcoin breaks again so this thing can break out. If not, if we struggle there, it's going to come right back down a bit and retest the low 20s. But for now, it looks really good, right? So if we can clear that level, and then you're looking for like the 33s and then 35 for Shiba. So, yep. Yeah, Shiba hit new 52-week highs as well. If I can fix this. Alrighty. So again, you can see there's a lot of supply up there, resistance, and my goodness, all day Friday, and gave no signs of busting out. Fun, on the other hand, showed strength. Exactly, Pablo. Exactly. Exactly. Fun recovered really nicely. I think the only scary thing with Fun is holding overnight and then having them those criminals do offerings. La, 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 la. Yeah, is a reason to not hold space stocks. I mean, they do burn a lot of cash, right? Um, I think space stocks will become a norm the closer we get to like 2025, like 2025 to 2030 is when you're going to see these companies go more frequently to yep, not allowing both in some. Do you trade stocks and crypto in the same accounts? Which is best? No. So some platforms will offer you stocks, but then offer you a little bit of crypto, like a Bitcoin Cash, Doge. Like smaller things. Like a small group of things. But for the most part, you have to get a new platform. So most people use a stock platform and then a Coinbase, for example, for crypto, or Kraken, or Crypto.com, right? So those would be the three common ones. And then for the rubbish coins, there's other sites people use. So exactly, Vance. Like if you don't mind having 14 cryptos to trade, yeah, yep. You only have a small umbrella when you're using like a Robinhood. So it's impressive how they have Doge stuff, but that's kind of what pushed Robinhood back in the day. All these Doge. Yeah, Lone Star. Yeah. What's your position in that? Anyways, we have 10 minutes before the market opens. Anything else looking amazing? Uh, if we there we go. See, that was another nice short from the bot, right? The bot shorted Fun right there, and then sold it right there. It just sold it at the bottom of the demand zone. Right? It's like, hey, thank you, bye, exit, get my monies. Yep, you own a lot. Oh my goodness, crypto crackheads. Oh my goodness, let's go. I like when Bitcoin rallies. I like when crypto rallies because it brings back all the OGs. So it's good to see you all. Right. So love it, love it, love it. What are my thoughts on Bitcoin, Kev? My goodness, we have a lot more crypto questions this morning than we do stonks. Oh my days! But again, that's 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 just how it's gonna be when there's a crypto bull rally, though. So a lot of crypto OGs in the community. Good morning, CM. So we have 8 minutes. So yeah, let me look at some of these crypto names. Christo's in his element now. He's loving this. Anyway, so Pepe, most of these we've talked about. That's why we did a Friday night stream and a Sunday night stream, because there are always going to be a lot of crypto questions. Um, I don't know why I'm pulling up this one, but so Pepe is the crazy coin that's up 670% in the last month, right? Pepe has been a monster, an absolute monster, right? Pepe. So again, I'm not quite sure. If you have a question, please make sure you clarify. I'm holding at this price. I'm holding at this. Pepe's. Again, that's why it's really important that you do that, because look at what it's done, right? Pepe went from the bottom, from doing nothing for a few months, to absolutely skyrocketing, right? So it looks really, really good. That's the daily time frame. So that's really not going to give me anything. You know, again, look at the 15-minute chart, right? We just hit new highs, right? This is a smaller time frame. There's a double top at 760-ish, all-time highs. So yeah, you're really gonna have to clarify your questions because these things are sitting at highs. Um, George is for the Democrats. Where is that coming from? Good morning, Chris. I'll take a look at Jack X. Um, so if I'm not sure what you're doing, if you're holding Pepe, it looks really good for now. It looks really good, right? So I would same thing you do with some of these projects, some of these stocks that run quite a bit. Just pick a level and say, you know what, I'm up $100. I'm not gonna walk away from the table with less than 80, less than 90, less than 70, less than 50, right, Kev? So do something like that. Give it room to keep pumping, but also say, you know what, I'm not going to lose all my gains, right? Something like this. Like look at this beauty, right? It's been going up and then it goes down a little bit, it consolidates and then it goes up again and then it consolidates. Same like Bitcoin, right? So trying to predict where it's going to fail at, trying to predict the top, it's going to be that's not something you want to do, right? Because imagine predicting that this was the top, like, oh my goodness, that's the top, it's going down, and then boom skis. Oh my goodness, this is the top, it's going down, and then boom skis, right? So give it some room. Dan, good morning, Ayo. So that's that. Let me look at Jack X. So Jack X is the is that penny stock thingy. It's done really well this morning. This thing was at 6 cents. Yeah, it's popping, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It looks really good. It looks really good. Again, I'm not sure where your position is, um, Chris. Let me know where your position is, and I'll take a closer look. But so let me pull up the daily here. So obviously a really nice gap up this morning. Your next resistance is right there. So if I put a line across, you're gonna see that it's been to this level a few times. So like right here, right there, right? So we initially used this level for a base, then we crashed, and then we went up, and that level acted as resistance. So 15 cents is your next resistance. Good morning, Lori. Chase, good morning. Troy, good morning. Greg, good morning. Right. So this level here at 15 cents, that's gonna be your next resistance for Jack X. Alrighty, so watch that level again. Initially this was your base and then this became resistance and it's almost there this morning, so watch that level closely for Jack X. Kev, you're welcome. We have a new member. Let's go, Lone Star. Welcome to the community. Welcome. Again, if you're not a member yet and you want to come join us in Discord, which you should, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Alrighty, and become a member. Make sure you sign up for the right level though. Discord community like Lone Star did, Legend or Goats. So yeah, Jack X looks nice though. Looks really nice. So yeah, let's see what happens at 15 cents. And then after that, you're looking for like 1750-ish for resistance. You got in at, yeah, Jerry. Congratulations. Don't go red. Don't go red. Everything we talk what's in Discord, everything we talk about on here and more, right? So it's a community. So when we're not on stream, that's where we are. So yeah, if you want to come join us in Discord, click this link at the bottom there from and then become a member, and then you'll get the link to join us in Discord. Alrighty. So Lone Star, again, welcome to the community. Let me know when you're in the chat, and I'll send you a link. Alrighty. Anyways, moving on. So QNRX is still failing at 640. So the bottom of the supply zone. FUN is selling off. So some profit taking going into the open there. Doge looks fine there, right? 16, holding 16. SHIBA looks fine, going for 27. Bitcoin looks more than fine, right? And yeah, HSDT sideways, blah. So, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it on. Since since the market is opening, I'm gonna leave it on QNRX here into the open. Leave it into the open. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, please, and thank you before the market opens. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share the link as well if you want to. Bernard, good morning. Just need to make sure I'm ready to go. La 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 la. Salty, let's go, Salty Biscuit. Welcome to the community, Salty. Good morning, Mash. Welcome. Salty, if you wanted to join Discord, you signed up for the wrong level, so it has to be one of the other levels. Alrighty, so you just have to go back and upgrade if you want to join Discord. That's if you want to join Discord. Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, let's see. Perfect. QNRX, yeah, it's up 120%. Yeah. So yeah, Salty, welcome. So you're a member now. You should have some members only content, videos and stuff. But if you want to join us in Discord, you just have to upgrade to the level that says Discord community. It's just the same process, and they're not going to charge you extra for switching. Okay, let's see. ADIL with a nice little pop. Yeah. NKTR is another one that I need to pull up here. NKTR. Yeah, 23%. And we are open, guys. We are open. Let's see. That's wild. If prices get pushed up, but it's on the sell volume, is that good? Not necessarily. So you're saying like the price is going up, but there's a lot of selling pressure? Is that what you're asking? A little bit of a dipski there for QNRX. Bitcoin is popping there. Oh my goodness. Talk about market open pop for Bitcoin. Look at that. Look at the switch around for the bots, right? Again, this is why the bot has a lot of losses, but then when it makes those monies, look at that, right? And then look at the exit, profit taking. So that's a nice pop. A very, very nice pop. Congratulations. Yeah, especially with Bitcoin like gapping up this morning. So if you're holding anything BTC, you're happy. So nice BTC pop. SHIBA and Doge, on the other hand, not really doing much with that pop. These things run really nice when Bitcoin breaks into a new range. When it's just going up back and forth in the same range, like SHIBA and Doge just sit there and do nothing. Right, so FUN is doing really well at the open off the demand zone. Look at that, 840 to 880. That's a really nice pop. Is FUN halted? It's not halted. It just lacks volume. It just seemed like it was halted for a second there. Seemed like it was halted. $8.80. Jack X, that thing failed at 1460, right? So that 15 cents for Jack X is going to be a key level. A key level. Those are interesting. Okay. Very interesting. Congratulations, Gary. Congratulations. Oh yeah, FUN is about to break $9 days in it. These are some crazy candles. Pre-market high I think was what is that, $9.50, $9.42. $9.42. I don't like when things pop like this immediately at the open though, because you know the sell-off is coming. Yeah, you are, Vance. Yeah, that thing has that big float, doesn't it? So I'm surprised that it opened below at the price that it did. I was hoping it would gap up nicely and then, but oh well. HSDT is retesting a demand zone too. $6.20. NKTR just sitting there. And FSR FUFU, yeah, I need to go look at FUFU as well. Oh my goodness, that's quite the drop. Oh my days. Right, I think we mentioned in Discord too that this thing needed to clear 60 cents. It just never did, Vance, and it just hasn't done it. Right, Friday night no 60 cents. Monday night no 60 cents. This morning dipskis. So hopefully stays above 50 at least. Fufu's halted up. Oh my goodness, Fufu. Yeah, Fufu's halted up. Wow. If you're not sure what fufu is and why it's exciting, fufu is a meal, by the way. Uh, it's a meal that I grew up eating. So uh, so did Olu in the chat. So I don't know if anybody else is in the chat that's had it, but the stock is halted up. So, yep. Only if we knew that this the name change would be called fufu. Still dipping here. Bitcoin is doing well. Retesting the highs again. So all-time highs. Well, I'm seeing all-time highs again, close to 69. Right? Oh my goodness, 6, Joe. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Amazing, Joe. So all-time highs close to 69. Just above 69 for Bitcoin. 52-week highs though. 65, 681. So we're almost there at the open. Almost there at the open. Oh, there goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin just hit actually no, I'm looking at the wrong number. It's close. So 686, and there it is. Bitcoin just made new highs. Ooh, look at that. Bitcoin is on fire. Bitcoin just waited for the market to open, and it's like, hey, look at me now. I'm the captain now. Yup. Bitcoin just hit new highs. And Josh is, you know what? You want to know what Josh is doing this morning? Yeah, he's sitting on the with a cigar, and he's like, "Come on, give me the monies. Show me the monies." There goes almost 66. Almost 66. Almost 66. 65 900s. Fun is on fire. I'm surprised. Ooh, look at Fun. Fun is on fire. Look at all these. Look at all these stonks. La 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 la. Fun on 220 for coin. Yeah. Yep. So again, we knew Fun would rally at some point. It had to. Fun has too much hype and too much of a community to split and just go to the abyss, right? SHIBA is bouncing now, and so is Dogecoin. So again, like we said earlier, right? SHIBA and Doge move when Bitcoin breaks into a new range. Clearly, we just broke into new highs, right? New 52-week highs. So, and there it goes. There goes 66 and 66, right? So, 66. Ooh, 66. $66. That's a very nice run. It's a very, very nice run. Okay, no signs of weakness from crypto. No signs of weakness at all. Zero, zilch, nada. So no signs of weakness. So tonight's gonna be another. Yeah, Doge just. Oh, look at that, guys! Did you see that? Tell me you saw that. Tell me you saw that. Did you see that? Did you guys see that? SHIBA doesn't have one. Did you see that? That was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Oh, 10. Look at Fun. Fun is on fire now, guys. Fun is on fire. Fun is on fire. It's gone skis. Fun is halted. Fun is on fire again. We knew this was coming, right? So surprise, not really. Fun had to explode at some point. Had to explode at some point. Had to explode at some point. Why is Fun running? Because it has to, right? So tomorrow is Super Tuesday, right? We talked about Fun every day last week. Every single day last week we talked about Fun. Why? Fun was also on the watch list this weekend, right? Because tomorrow is Super Tuesday. There's a catalyst, right? So split, crash, run, right? Split, crash, run. So surprise? Nope. Nope. So that thing just woke up and said, you know what, guys? That's it. I gave you enough chances. That's $6. My goodness, that was the bottom on Friday. $6, and then boom skis. Boom skis. So be careful, right? Be careful holding this thing too long, especially overnight, because that's when these criminals do offerings. So Fun has already done 3 offerings in the last 3 months. 2 months? 2 months. So catch me outside. That's your new thing now, Dan, isn't it? Catch me outside. Yeah, Fun said bye. Bye, guys. No. NVDA is still pumping? My goodness, that's crazy, isn't it? You started it. Watching Nash? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, if NVIDIA is pumping BBAI, CXAI, Sound, all these names. Oh my goodness, look at Doge. Doge is going. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, I think Eric is in Discord. I think Eric has been slacking though. That's it. Right. So again, we've been spamming Fun, right? Fun. So there it goes. Right? Gonskis. No, that's okay, Eric. That's okay. You've been busy with work. FUFU is still halted up there. 130% still halted. That's crazy, Wes. SMCI. Look at that run. So we talked about this one on Sunday as well, right? So what were we were hoping that this thing would drop at the open for scalpies, right? So clearly it dropped, and then scalpies. Bitcoin is on fire, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. On fire. Oh my days. That looks beautiful. There you go. Monies. Look at Bitcoin. Of a symbol, yeah, exactly. Is FUFU unhalted yet? No, FUFU is still halted. Bitcoin is just hitting new highs. SMCI is just on fire. Oh my goodness. Just on fire, SMCI. Look at that thing. For a stock of that price to run like that is impressive. Fun is still halted up, and QNRX is still selling off. I think honestly today it might just be one of those days where look at SHIBA. SHIBA is about to crack that 28 at some point here, and Dogecoin is going for 17. So today's turning into a crypto name to a crypto stream more than but RNLX. I'll take a look. FUFU's unhalted, $17. FUFU is on fire, 170%. Maybe this is gonna be what we need, Pablo, to bring some of these backs to life. FUFU, FUFU. My goodness, fun is unhalted, guys. Fun is unhalted. Fun is at $11 now. Oh my goodness, fun is unhalted. Is it halted up again? No, it's not halted. That's a nice run, though. It's a very nice run. Fufu. Funsies, 1120. Regulation coming. Greedy folks will get wiped out this year. I like how your name is Papa Powell. Papa Powell. Papa Powell. Try your best not to FOMO into these things. Shiba pushed all the way almost 28 again. 28. Fufu and fun. Fufu fun. You want to know what fufu looks like, by the way? So fufu again is a dish. It looks like this. So kind of like that. So this is a meal that some of you guys grew up eating, right? Like kind of like that. It's like a yeah. It's like a Anyways, there's so many ways of yep. uh, there's so many different ways of making it. So many different mashes. It's like a mashed potato but different. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So Lola says yummy. Yep. There's I've seen a whole bunch of like different tastes that people make. So it's halted down. So 1840 and then halted down. Fun is quite impressive. Fun is about to hit new highs, and there it is, 1140. Dang, that break of $10 should have been the signal too. Look at this. There's more people loving criminals. There goes 1150. If you're holding fun, type in yes in the chat. There goes 1160. $11.70. Oh my days, it's on fire. $11.70. When $12 is the question now. $11.80. There it is. Again, we knew it was coming. All of these plays that do splits eventually run, right? All of them. Right, eventually run, especially for fun. That has a catalyst, right? Especially, Bonk is going crazy again. Yeah. As long as VTC pumps, yeah, MSTR is. I saw some things that MSTR might be the next one to get listed on the S&P, but I don't know about that. But yep. Come on, give us $12. Give us $12. Yep, Mo. Yep. So, VDoc, yeah. Crystal, yes. Jay, yes. Nairo, yes. Virgo, yes. Gail, CM, love it. Yeah, CM got in last at 6:30 or something. C Senora Pablo, congratulations. Raynell, congratulations, guys. Right? Just don't stay too long. So Just don't stay too long. That's a really nice rally from $6 to almost $12, right? So that's a really, 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 really nice run. So congratulations. It's not like this stock was a surprise. Again, it's done exactly what we wanted it to do, right? We wanted it to run this week, not last week. So the only difference here is we started the run on Friday, so people knew that it was coming and they started buying on Friday. That's the only issue with this, but it's not a big surprise. Yeah, crazy Pablo, MSTR, especially with the stock like that. You know. Yeah, no. So that's why we pay attention to splits, right? Especially splits that have hype. So, yep. I posted the split list yesterday, so I don't think there's anything on there that I need to go look at today. But as the week goes on, we're going to need to pay attention to more of these splits, right? I think the idea is that these splits start running like after 3 days of selling off stuff like that. But anyway, so again, don't stay too long. Secure profits on the way up. Blah 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 blah. BTIO, you're in at 29 set 27. Sure, I'll take a look. Take a look ski. Today, IBD today. Okay. Yeah, so we usually stay away from on that initial day of splits. BTIO. BTC. Congrats, you're in at 29.27. So you're green in that position for now. Honestly, I would say stay above $30. Just stay above $30, right? The low of the day is 30.04, so just stay above. Right? You just stay above $30. Is what I would want to do if I was in that position. FUN is coming back to retest $10, so let's see if it retests and stays above $10. Okay. FUN is actually halted down. Halted down. Or the 4th. Okay. Since it was 22 cents, Lori, you're very happy now. VLCN. Yeah. The only thing, well, VLCN did well last week already, right? It went from 70 cents all the way to $2 and almost $3, right? So the run always happens at some point. This one's had a run. So for now, if I was watching this thing, I'd be watching to see if a dollar holds. If it doesn't, maybe you wait for a double bottom at 80 cents. 80 cents. Jack X hates you? I don't think it does. It hates everybody. It doesn't hate you unless you FOMO that resistance. We talked about this morning, right? Unless you bought that thing at right up there. If you bought this thing at 15 cents, you can say it hates you, but it's resistance, right? That thing hit resistance this morning. So especially into the open, it's hitting resistance. ADA. Is it me or is the market kind of slow today? Besides FUN, Free Money's Discord mentioned it a bunch. Love it, Pyros. Yeah, the market is kind of slow today. I think the market is ran to Bitcoin. No, the market ran to altcoins. The smaller projects. So yeah, BTC is pushing again. I think the market is extended, like way extended. Way extended. Way extended. Here we go. Okay, let's close that out. Yeah. Is that thing curling at all? Oh, you have a demand zone there. Oh, nice. Yeah, $5 demand zone, Justin. Yeah. So this was that level in pre-market, right? So this little circle on the left-hand side, we talked about this earlier. All the way to the right-hand side, it's the same level. So market open, sell-off, and then demand zone. Beautiful. So not bad. Profit taking. Okay. Cool. Is FUFU still halted? No, FUFU's unhalted. 15,670. FUN is not a Bitcoin play. Tesla dropped big. Yes. Data, it's as hell. Exactly. So let me pull up the earnings calendar and then the other calendars. So earnings calendar there. And then Powell speaks twice this week. What is this? Okay. So that's the earnings calendar. So some meh names. And then Neo reports tomorrow morning. Yeah, CrowdStrike went to Tuesday evening. Blah 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 blah. Every time Foot Locker reports earnings, they go to the abyss every time. Like it's volatility, like it's crazy wild. So FL might be something to look at. Foot Locker, right? And then this is the data calendar here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff. Powell also speaks on Wednesday, right? With Thursday job numbers and also Powell speaking again. So yep, there's some chaos this week for sure. There's a lot of stuff to look at. FUN is unhalted, and it actually, I'm not sure why it halted at that price, because then it just unhalted there and just sat there. Unhalted and sat there, but now it's dropping. So yeah, let's see if that thing can find a base above $10. That would be nice if it consolidates there, you know. Eyebrow week, yeah. What's that high again? So all the way to $12. Yeah, quite the range. You were hoping for a 10x run. DP, what's your question? What did you get in at? Are you looking for an entry? Are you in it already? There goes the bounce of $10 for FUN. That's a nice bounce. That's almost what you would want to see, right? Exactly what you want to see. $10 was that resistance on day one after the split happened, and then it crashed to 6 and then broke above 10, came back to retest and held. So let's see if it stays above. SMCI is still pumping, guys. New highs. Ooh, wait, that thing is going. Karen, hello, hi. So SMCI, new highs. Bitcoin is testing those highs again. And SHIBA and Doge are waiting, right? You can see SHIBA and Doge always waits. They wait. As soon as Bitcoin breaks a new level, they're like, oh, it's go time. Go time. FUN is back to 1050. 1070. $10.70. Don't we eat fufu, Bimo? Yep. It's dropping now though, so I was hoping that thing would keep pumping and then spark some other SPAC rallies. Is it gonna come back? Careless Carter, what's your position? Give me details, guys. Give me details. You're asking me questions that require me to predict. So you want to ask questions that again, Carter. Think about it this way: like when you ask me a question, like is it going to come back up? Even if I say yes or no, that means nothing to you, right? You need an answer that is something that you can act on, right? So those questions, as much if it's in your favor, it feels nice, but if it's not, then it doesn't help you. So no, that's okay, Carter. That's okay. I just want people to ask questions that they can actually, you can actually get an answer that will help you. because a yes or no doesn't help you. Like if I say yes, it's only giving you hope, and that could be false hope or it could be good hope. So I'll take a look in a second though. Let me yeah, that, so again we failed at that 15-cent level, right? 15 cents. The low from pre-market, is that pre-market? Yeah, the low from pre-market is 10.50. So clearly we need to stay above 10 cents. So at the very least, you don't want to let this thing go below 10 cents, right? So I'm not sure how big of a position that is, or where your stop loss is for now. Please make sure you have a stop loss, please and thank you. So if I was holding this position, right, if I was holding this play again, you got in at 13 cents. You got in a little bit higher. You got in somewhere around this price, which is it's still dipping below the 9. So it's finally breaking above the 9 for the first time, right? After that nice sell off. If I was in a position, I would want this level to hold. So I would almost be, that's not what I wanted to do here. I need the brush. So I would want this thing to stay above this level, right? So again, it looks better now that we're curling back above the 9 EMA. Yeah. So already. So again, I would want it to stay above this level right there. Stay above that, and then go back to the highs. That would be nice. QNRX, that thing popped a little bit and then came back down. Justin. FUN is back to 1080, guys, 1090. So FUN just had to come back for a retest. And here comes $11. That's a nice bounce. Yeah. 1160, well, 1106, 1160. Palantir, new lows of the day. The markets seem interesting, don't they? Markets seem interesting. I wonder if FUN is going to give us a higher, a double top, or if it's going to break that level and just extend it. Okay, let's see here. Interesting. And there goes 1122 for funsies. Did anybody buy the dip on FUN? No, absolutely, Card. You're welcome. Welcomes. No. Yeah. For QNRX, yeah, it's dipping now. As soon as we go below that bottom, you just want to wait for where it decides to consolidate at next. Lows of the day. Wolf, lows of the day. Wolf is so annoying sometimes. Very annoying the way that it moves, you know. Especially with Bitcoin sitting at the price that it's at. Yeah. VLCN. Did that thing? Okay. Interesting. VLCN. Wow. My goodness. Yep. So it looks like we bounced off the 200. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. It's a very nice run. That was a nice breakout too, though, at 99 cents. Well, at $1. Nice breakout. Hasn't looked back since. If it it's swapping tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, FUFU is going back up. Well, it did. It went back up to 1660 and then came back down. And it's going back to 16 again. That thing is all over the place. Worky, Lynn. Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful day. Be safe, and see you later. Went to lows of the day in one candle, Gary. Ish. That's annoying. Especially when you look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is all the way up there. Very annoying. No. FUFU. SPY looks like it almost wants to break out, like 1260-ish. So I'm sure Dan is watching futures too for that price. Interesting. Trying. Trying, Dan. Yeah, no, VLCN looks really good. It's pumping. 23%. Yeah. It's waffling, but it's waffling at the top though, you know? Stuff like that can give you nice breakouts. Nice breakouts. And we're back to $16 again for this thing. Very interesting. Fun is pumping again, guys. We're going back for 11.50, so that was a nice dipski to $10. That was a retest, right? A retest and then a pop. Not sure why we have this pink line at 11.50, but I'm gonna leave that 11.50. Most likely from like the past. Well, obviously, but yeah. Even though really that double top is all the way at $12. It's definitive merger agreement with VIVK. Okay, VIVK. I'll take a look in a second here. Okay, it's halted. Okay, VIVK. Fun was better as a penny stock. Maybe to me no though. I like Fun better now as a stock that we can actually play with. You know, not a VIVK. VIVK. Sounds like Vivek. Yeah, it does. It does. La, 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 la. $35 million before they get delisted. Okay. And what is it at now? Huh. I'm not sure if TradingView is still giving us wrong numbers. I bet you they are. It's because they think the float is actually 250,000 shares, but the float is not 250,000 shares. It's like 1.2 million. So, but even then though, that number still doesn't seem right for the market cap. QNRX is still selling off. So once you go below that bottom, and we mentioned this quite a bit, right? Once we go below this bottom, you want to be very careful because holding it could send you to the abyss. Send you to the abyss. So it looks like that little pink line we have at 11.50 for Fun is a problem. It's a problem. Bitcoin is below 66 again. So it looks like we're dipping a bit here. Again, I don't think anybody is really concerned about Bitcoin dipping a little bit, you know. Doge is also dipping, obviously, and so is SHIBA, but these are not really massive dips, right? So is pumping low roller? Yeah, these things all take turns, right? You get a run, I get a run. You get a run, I get a run. You get a run, I get a run. You get a run. Vivek. Waffling. You're gonna be pissed? Don't be pissed, Gary. You should have a stop loss though, right? You up 75%, Gary. 75% on your options, I think, right? Well, was it Wolf? I think so. So forget about the price action, Gary. When you're up 75%, you should kind of have levels for your monies. Right, there goes Fun. Fun is pushing again. 1140. Here we go again. 1146. So it looks like 1150 really is a level. It really is a level. So what's the for Ocean? It's right there. Right here at let's call it 270. So 270, and then you're looking for that 200 at 290. Jerry. Right, so it's been having a hard time breaking out of that range. Are you gonna break it, Fun? Bitcoin is back above 66. The 22nd. Yeah. Okay. And it looks like Fun is still failing at 1150. So clearly that level is a problem. Clearly there's a problem there. Coinbase is pumping. Yeah, should be. Bitcoin is going back up anyways too. So Yep, coin with a nice gap up. I want la 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 la. Why are we? Okay. La, la, la. Hmm. There you go. Coinbase. Okay, let me go back to Fun. Oh, Fun just shot up. Fun is like, you know what? You know what, guys? Let me give you brand new highs of the day. There it goes. Flames Fun. $12.20. That's a really nice run. Stays on the ballot. Yep. And you know what's funny is not funny, but that candle really hasn't closed above 1150, which is wild. But it only has 10 seconds left, so I bet you it will. 5, 4, yeah, it will. News on Trump just broke. Faber. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, no wonder this thing had that crazy pop. Root on Trump's favor. Trump stonks. Okay, there you go. So funny thing is we were watching Fun already, right? So Fun is kind of the main name coming into today, right? And then Boomskis pumping. So if you bought the Dipskis at $10, you're very happy. If you bought last week, right, you're happy. Yep. Now we need to close above $12 here. 70% run. Very nice. So I'm not sure what DWAC is doing. I need to go take a look. As VC, what's DWAC doing? DWAC is actually not really doing much. I think it's because Fun had that momentum already anyways, you know. DWAC hasn't really reacted to that news. It's going sideways. Fun is clearly the one with the vibes. And it's hitting new highs of the day, 1280, 1240 at the almost tops there. People just said, oh, okay, which one's pumping? You know what? Let me go to the one that's pumping, Josh. There goes new highs of the day. Ooh wee, Fun. That's a very nice run. A very, very nice run. VRCN 160 outstanding shares of 15 million now. Okay. Focus. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, those guys diluted a bit, it seems. DWACs. No, DWAC is not pumping. DWAC is DWAC is sleeping. Is what it's doing. And Bitcoin is like, hey guys, 66,300s on the 30. Yeah. Hey guys, you like me? I like me too. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is pumping, and so is Doge and SHIBA. Right? Look at that. Doge and SHIBA, right on cue. They're like, whoop, 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 boom skis. Right? So that's a very nice pop. Very, very nice pop. 1650 all the way to almost 17. SHIBA is pushing for those highs. SHIBA is actually making new highs. SHIBA is on fire. See, again, like the SHIBA chart almost seems like a lot better than Doge. Then again, it's a smaller project. Well, it has more zeros, so the gains will potentially be, you know, like Doge goes up 10%, SHIBA goes up 25%. So, yup. There goes SHIBA, new 52-week highs. New 52-week highs. So congratulations if you're holding the sheeps. I need to get rid of some of these here. There we go. You're focused on sheep more? Yeah. Yep. More zeros to burn, you know? Oh my goodness, guys, look at FUN. FUN is at $13 now. FUN is at $13. Oh my goodness, FUN is really benefiting. Really benefiting from that, from these. I'm surprised they didn't halt it on that candle. Let's see. Ooh wee, FUN is halted up. FUN halted up. Helping me out today. Yeah. Exactly. I love how we were prepared all last week, right? Again, nobody can say, "Oh my goodness, why is FUN pumping?" We didn't know FUN was gonna pump. We didn't know, guys. Fun was a name out of everybody's mouth last week in Discord, right? So, and on stream. So yeah, again, and this thing came back down for a perfect retest of $10. Perfect retest. The non-members say that. But why, Josh? How come I'm not in FUN? Every time I miss it. Well, again, we talked about FUN every day last week, and it was on the watch list on Sunday. So congratulations if you're in it. And if you're not, again, smash a like, hit that subscribe. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. 1360. Carter, you're back to green. Okay, good. Love it. Love it. Reliance pushing up a little bit. Reliance, the furnace company. Reliance, the furnace company. Is that what it is? I like it, Justin. Congratulations. $1 scalp. If you're still holding FUN, or if you've made monies in FUN, type in yes in the chat. Still holding FUN, or you've made monies in FUN, type in yes in the chat. Interesting. Si, senor. You made monies? Love it. Congratulations, all. Let's keep making money. So the bid for now, let me go back. The bid for FUN, my stuff is really slow this morning. Thanks, Canada. The bid is still around the same price. FUN has actually done a job of like halting and sitting at the same price. CM, are you still in that same position from $6? $6.30? Oof. Let me know. In and out. Love it, Crystal. Love it. Love it. You missed it, M&M? Guess why? I don't know why. Anyways, again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord, alrighty? Come join us. FUFU is still curling here, Olu, so it doesn't seem like it's done, does it? I hope not. I wish the breakout level was a little bit lower, not all the way up there, but because it's giving us lower highs now. So we're just waiting for FUN to get on a halt. And again, Bitcoin looks fine. SHIBA is hitting brand new highs, guys. Ooh wee! Look at SHIBA. Look at Doge on the left-hand side. Look at SHIBA on the right-hand side. SHIBA is up 28% now. So clearly, SHIBA is like, you know what? You know what? I'm the captain now. Again, and we've said this so many times. Like SHIBA has actually done a way better job of like actually trying to build something. You know. Um, there we go. SHIBA is at 29. And Doge is like, wait for me, 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 wait for me. So yeah, Doge is retesting the highs again. So just below 17 cents. You're up 26%, Hannah. Congratulations. And there goes Doge. Nice pop. The high for Doge is 1720. So we're not quite there yet. Obviously, SHIBA broke above the high already. So that's nice. For a long time after watching in Discord, I bought it. And now you're making money, Scale. Love it. Congratulations. Unlike the other BS coin, oh yeah, they are. They really are, Josh. Right. So if we looked at this on Friday night, right? FUN is at $14 now. Oh my days, that thing is on fire. Yeah, 6 to 14. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. My goodness, look at that thing go. 14, 26. Ooh wee. My goodness, that thing is on fire. Talk about flames. 1450, 1460. Ooh wee. So again, just be mindful that, with especially for, if you're in some really nice gains, just be mindful, please, right? Make sure you don't go diamond hunting that thing, and then end up holding a nice bag. Please and thank you. Otherwise, I will find you. I'll change the computer to your password, and then you know what's next. You're gonna cry. 1460. Ooh, my goodness. 100%, guys. You sold at 100%, Nairo. Congratulations. Uh, there goes $15. $15. Oh my goodness. So I think the fact that they had Trump news this morning is a perfect combination. So so these guys are reporting earnings tomorrow. So FUN is reporting earnings tomorrow, it seems. So FUN sets Q4. So Q4. So March 12th. Okay, never mind. So next week, next Tuesday. So not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday. Okay. So not this Tuesday. As soon as I saw that, I thought other things. I was like, "Yep, there goes. These criminals know exactly what they're doing." La, 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 la. There you go. Oh my goodness, $16. FUN is on fire. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 123%. And it's halted now, isn't it? You sold at 15. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, we're halted below $16 here now. All right, so I'm surprised DWAC hasn't moved at all. And really, in terms of sympathy plays, honestly, there really isn't a whole lot. We could look at Rumble, but meh, right? We liked Fun because they had a split, and they had to run at some point, right? So it's hard to find a sympathy play just based on, we can say, oh yeah, Trump had news this morning and it's amazing, but it's, like we liked it for other reasons. Oh, yeah, other reasons. Yep. $16 and halted up. Yeah, DWAC has, yeah. DWAC has a lot of drama. And also the fact that, if this thing was close to $10, I think we would be excited, Pablo. DWAC is not a $10 stock anymore, It looks like it's trying to pick up here, but it's close to $50. FUFU is still just sitting there, which is interesting. Ocean is doing well though. Whoever was asking for Ocean earlier, it's doing really well. It's slowly curling. Highs of the day. That's a nice little breakout for Ocean. Nice. Dogecoin failed at 17 cents again. QNRX is still hitting lows. This is why when a stock breaks below that open bottom low, I don't like it anymore because there's a good chance you keep hitting new lows. Stocks hitting lows are very likely to keep hitting lows. Stocks hitting highs are very likely to keep hitting highs. Why? Because vibes. Because of the vibes, guys. Because of the vibes. That's crazy. Over the weekend, pleasantly surprised Larry. Congratulations. Nemo, thank goodness. Jerry, yeah, well done. Almost back to even for your account for fun. Well done. One of the last posts in Discord from Fuzzy Scheme Guy was roasting fun, and then he disappeared. Disappeared. We don't really care if it's like what they do. We just want the monies. MNPR. Okay. I wish we had a like a sympathy play. Yeah, Rumble. I wish we had like a direct sympathy play, but a direct sympathy play. Anyways, let me look at this. Yeah, the splits again. LQR did a split? No way, really? Is that the second one? No thanks. That thing could be pumping to 1 million, and I wouldn't still look. I wouldn't look at it. So, no, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah, there's some names on here that I see that we're gonna have to look at some point, but some point. For now, it's all about the fun. All about the fun. Yogi, it should be. LQR should be on everybody's do not trade list. Yeah, that's because I just think they had no other choice, because maybe it's the second one. They're like, okay, this is the most room we have to do splits, so let's find a way to scams. If these guys can do more splits, they're gonna do more splits. Like if they can do bigger splits, they're gonna do bigger splits. DWAC? Oof. DWAC said, are you guys talking trash about me? Are you talking trash? Are you talking trash about me, DP? Oh my goodness. You talking trash about me? That thing said boom, boom, boom. It's like, how about you suck it? No more trash talking. Fine, DWAC. Fine. Damn. Yeah, FUFU is just stuck there. Anyways, fun is unhalted, guys. And that thing said unhalted. Yes, please. So popped all the way to 1650. My goodness. I heard that. I heard that 1620. Yeah, the spread for fun is all of a sudden not the best now, is it? It's all over the place. You got stopped out. That's amazing. You got in at 6:30 on Friday and you sold at 1550. CM, congratulations. Well done. Look at that exit. It's at $15 now. So well done. Well done. Well played. Well played. True, 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 true. Let's see here. La, 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 la. Yeah, Josh, most likely, right? Yeah, most likely. Most likely. Let's go. Rusty says, thank you, Discord for this win. Fun. Love it. Love it. Love it, Rusty. Love it. Again, this was not a surprise to anybody in Discord, so not a surprise. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. So smash a like if you haven't already, guys. I would really appreciate that. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. Alrighty, so if you haven't smashed a like yet, please and thank you. I would really appreciate that. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Become a member. Come join us. You're missing out, right? Stop missing out. Oh my goodness, Josh with the memberships, guys. Ooh, let's go, Josh. Thank you very much, Josh. Thank you. There goes as Josh is gifting memberships. Fun is hitting new highs of the day. 1670. My goodness. That thing said, "Oh, you want out? Okay. How about you get out? Get out now. Get out now before we go for the next run. Get out now. Get off the bus. Get off the bus." Yeah, Fun is a monster. My goodness. Josh, thank you very much. Congratulations if you got a free membership. Alrighty. Congrats. Another win for the United in celebration. Let's go. Monies. So we couldn't close above 1660 and then came back down. But that's a very nice run. Yep. We've been talking about Fun for a month in Discord. Yep. We were actually excited for this split to happen. This was one of the splits that we were excited for. Right? We were rarely ever excited about splits. You know, when a company does a split, it's trash. Right? Trash. This was one that we knew would run at some point. It just had to. So when is the next run for Fun? What do you mean, Hannah? What do you mean when's the next run? The stock is up 120%. 100%. No more Fun. Congratulations, Freeball. Well done. Yeah, try your best not to. Again, holding Fun overnight could be very dangerous in case these guys do offerings. If you end up holding this thing overnight, well, just be careful, please. Right? So these guys have shown that they're willing to scam you, scam you at any chance they get. They scam you. So make sure you don't get scammed. So have a stop loss, take profits on the way up, blah blah blah. If you're gonna hold overnight, make sure you're not buying at the highs or holding your entire position. All the other things. Hannah, again, come join us in Discord. Yeah. So there goes Dipskis for Fun. People are taking profits. Surprise! Not. So let's see. We can dip, consolidate, and then go for a run at some point. I listened to you guys talking about it and bought about 7. Let's go higher and higher as it goes. DMAC, love it. Fun is halted down now. Out of the way before all of the primaries this week. Hopefully that's the case, Pablo. Hopefully they have actually done that and they're not willing to do any more because it's still going to be scary though. la, la. Ocean is at 3. Oh yeah, Ocean is pumping. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Yeah, Jerry, congratulations. Congrats. That looks good. That looks very good. That looks very, very good. Yeah, 290. Hit almost $3. Yeah, 299. So I can pay for your goat food. Yes, yes, please, Josh. Well, fun for now is clearly the front runner. So especially with stuff happening this week, a catalyst, right? So especially with stuff happening this week. So I think that was a nice combination. Is Doge gonna break 17 now or take profits and double up when 15? Okay, 9. Congratulations, well done. Um, Doge still looks fine to me. Like I think when people ask questions like that, like it's difficult to answer when we're still sitting at the very top, right? Like it's still sitting all the way up there. So for now, I would give it a second. If we broke below like 16, 15, then I would be concerned. For now, it's almost at 17. Like it's so there's really no red flags there yet. No red flags yet. Pablo, do you still have FUFU on your watch list, or you kind of got rid of it for now? Because that thing just keeps going sideways, almost like it's going to break out at some point. Okay, Live W. Live W, that was a nice breakout there. 122, Pablo, and then gone. Yeah, that thing broke out. There you go. Again, if you sold FUN, congratulations, by the way, because the bid is at $13.50. Not that it's going to open at that price. It's going to change, obviously, the closer we get to the open of the halts. But that's where the bid is at now, $13.53. Alrighty, so if you took some profits, yeah, FUFU looks interesting. It's just consolidating there, just sitting there. So let's see what it does. See if we get a higher low. For now, it's just trending lower, obviously, right? It's like high, lower high, lower high, lower high, just trending. So, but it's sitting in a nice little demand zone above 1380.14. So, and FUN still halted 1360. Eat FUFU live on stream? Nope. GFAI. Okay. SPY is at the highs of the day now. The S&P is pumping. Ooh, wow. The S&P is like, you know what? It's my turn. It's my turn. I'm the captain now. My goodness. The market said, you think I'm slow? You're slow. Live W popped and then dropped. Pop and drop. Pop and drop. Let me take a look. Yeah, it's just consolidating for now, isn't it, Justin? Yeah, QNRX. Yeah, just consolidating there. Very, very disappointing that it. Yep. Wait, what did? Let me go back here. Yeah, that thing is. Yeah. If we can find a way to cross the kernel and stay above the kernel, that would be good. Spy loves President. Yeah. Yeah, 140. Yeah. $1.40. Anyways, waiting for this thing to get unhalted here. Twitch officially accepting Doge as payments. That's nice. Yep. It's nice. It's nice. DBA, the warrant. The bid is at 1390 for FUN now. So the bid is going right back up. And there goes the on halts. 1390 back to $14. Wild, isn't it? Oh my goodness. 14, 14, 1420. 1460. 1460. That's all we got for the dipskis. 1480. Oh my goodness. So either we consolidate now though for a brand new position, right? Or we just go back up and break out. So for now we just kind of watch. A high five. 1450. La 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 la. 1480. Oh my goodness, talk about a pop. So the volatility on this is nice actually. There we go. We're back to $15, just like that. Just like that. Why is the bid important? Just because that's where it's gonna open at the on-hold price, and then you kind of have an idea of what you want to do. Well, $15. Yeah, it's just like you know where it's gonna open at, right? So if the stock is halted at $14, but we know that the bid is at $13.90, then you know, like, okay, it's actually gonna open at this price, not membership, but I can't find the spot that lets you do that. So go on the membership. Go on the memberships. Click on perks. You might have to use your phone. It seems to work well on the phone, but not on the computer. It's weird. So go on the memberships, like on YouTube, on the channel, right? Memberships, perks, membership perks, and then change level. And then it's gonna let you do that. Alrighty. BBAI Virgo. Okay. BBAIs. Yeah, all these AI things are just causing violence. Look at FUN go. FUN is like, come on, push, 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 push. Almost like FUN's president is running for president, you know? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. FUN's president running for president. Like, know what? Forget about DWAC. It's all about the fun. Yep. Anyways, let me pull up BBAI. Big Bear. Yep. Fun is more fun. That is true. SHIBA is at 29. Yup. SHIBA new 52-week highs. Doge is still below 17. So, and this is why I mentioned earlier, right? So again, yeah, you want to sell your Dogecoin at 17 cents, but it's not really breaking down and it's still sitting at the top. So you sell it and then it breaks out and then you cry. For now, just put a stop loss, please. But yeah, 17 resistance for Doge. SHIBA popped and then came back down. So still at 29 though. Love it, Virgo. Love it. Yeah, by the way, there's a new channel in Discord. It's called Virgo's Lane. I had to change the name because she was like, I don't like the Virgo corner. Virgo corner. I hope SHIBA loses a zero. I hope so too. I don't see change level. I tried canceling too, and that didn't work. Isn't your friend? So you have to go to change. You get a refund for the previous level too. So you have to maybe. Yeah, it should tell you. Like it should give you. If you're using your phone, it should tell you. Salty, it should tell you. Yeah. It should tell you. Yeah, the S&P is pumping. SPY is at highs of the day. Pumping. Pumpings. Yeah, it's green. It's super slow though, isn't it, Kodai? But it's green. So. But it's green. And am I using different candles on this, or what the hell happened there? Yeah, because again, QNRX just made new lows of the day, which is wild. This is why stocks like that. When you hit that bottom like that, there's a good chance you keep hitting new bottoms. So that's our first lower high on FUN, by the way. So this thing needs to consolidate. Yeah, it needs to consolidate, right? So we can't expect this thing to just keep pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. Where do we think it's going to? Yes, $25 for Josh, but no 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 no. Good morning, Queen. 1350. Oof, look at that. People taking profits, right? Surprise? No. Has plans of for dividend E? They have plans to give a dividend. Seems like they want to scam us. They want to scam us, you know. They want to scam us. 2.7 million float. Yeah, we'll leave it on. I don't trust those guys one bit, you know. Not one bit. So it looks like we're almost double bottoming. Even though we broke below, it still seems like a double bottom for fun here. Those two candles closed at the almost at the exact same price, but we'll see. Give it time. Yeah, yeah, just making new lows, low after low after low. Kenny, salute. Before before the 30. Yeah, almost at 29, Kenny. In the corner. See, it wasn't intended to be like a corner, you know. It's intended to be something like, you know, like, I don't know. Anyways, I don't know. It wasn't. I wasn't thinking about the streets. That's for sure. That's not something I think about when I do stuff, except for when you guys spam stuff on stream. You know. You are on FUFU. Oh my goodness! Thanks to the village, right? That thing is holding still. Just be careful with this one because it seems like it's all over the place for now. Blended. So yep. Yeah, no, I wasn't. Don't. I wasn't thinking about the corner of the streets. There goes fun. Still dipping. You scalped some Shiba. Congratulations. Uh, no. Dan, how are futures looking for you today? How's the future? The futures as usual. Yeah, Ocean is looking really good. Congratulations. Congratulations to those of you guys holding this one. 63%. Well done. Yeah. Congratulations. 420? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Sheesh. That thing lost it all, you know? So there was a bit of a liquidity grab candle there, but yeah, maybe, hopefully. Oh, that thing is just hitting lows after lows after lows. Yep. Scalping that? Okay, nice. And a real rip, a dip, so you can buy that. Okay. Dip skis. Dip skis. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, please, and thank you. I really appreciate it if you smashed a like. There's more than double of you guys that haven't smashed. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that haven't smashed a like yet. So I don't know. Let me know why you haven't smashed a like. Yeah, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Click the link there. So it's free. Like smashing the like is free, and it really helps. It really helps more than you know. So if you like being here, or maybe not, but maybe not. Yeah, smash a like. Okay, what do we have scheduled for today? 13. That's 13. Interesting. Okay. Consolidate already? Not yet. Not yet. It's still dipping. It's mooning lazy. Yeah, SMC has done really well. Really well. Done really, really well. Done really, really well. Let's see here. I need to quickly set a stop loss on something else. Interesting. 77 for Ocean? Yeah, no, that thing is on fire. Like it's just going and going and going and going. Quietly pumping in the background? Okay. Are you still playing with this one, Justin? Yeah, that thing unfortunately that thing has just been getting entered. It looks like the bot shorted the damn thing too. There's a candle missing, but yeah, it shorted and then took profits at the bottom. Z-bots, FUFU's bouncing. Look at that FUFU 200 EMA. That's a really nice bot. Yeah, fun with a nice pop there from 13. That's a really nice pop. Yeah, let's see what it does now though, because it's almost giving us lower highs. Anyways, Neo, yeah, Neo reports earnings tonight, tomorrow. Something. Oh wow, look at that candle for Ocean. That thing went from 370 to 320 something. My goodness. 480, 480. Yeah, you're gonna need quite the run on that thing. You're gonna need quite the run. Let me see here. Okay, stop loss. Hey, you did it. You did it. The salty biscuits, you did it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go back to fun. What's fun? Well, back to $14 already? Yeah, we are. Back to $14. Okay. Welcome. So let me get you an invite here. Oh yeah, you did the cancel and then you okay, word? Okay. You did it. You did it. Hooray. Hooray. Interesting. Okay. Welcome, Salty. Here's your invite link. So click this link at the bottom of the chat. That's going to take you to Discord, and then you have some more steps to follow in Discord. So on your computer the phone didn't work. Okay, you had to go to the computer. It's so weird. Like sometimes it works for people. Anyways, welcome Salty. So click that yellow link at the bottom there. This one. Don't bother clicking on this link, please. If you're not a member, you're just wasting your time. Click on that link, Salty, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. We didn't want to have to visit you for friendly chats. Yes, yes. Yeah, DWAC tomorrow, maybe. I like how FUFU is slowly creeping back up there. Slowly creeping back up. There we go. This one? Yeah, that thing is still going to the abyss, isn't it? QNRX. Yeah, there's just no signs of consolidation. This is why, again, right? When we go below that level, this level right there, oh, that's a big red flag. If I hold it a pump again one day, one day. Yeah, average down in yeah. Hopefully it stays above $4. I'm sure that thing will give you a nice green candle at some point, but yeesh. Look at Bitcoin though. Bitcoin just hit new highs. Yeah, it did. Bitcoin just hit new 52-week highs. And what's SHIBA doing here? SHIBA and Doge still kind of sitting there. But yep, Bitcoin new highs. New highs and then back down. Highs and then back down. Earnings today. Okay. Guess who is at 5? Is it the yo guy? Like a long position? Like a long or short? There's a guy on Twitter. Yeah? What a clown. No wonder. Any stock that dude is in, I don't want to be a part of it. No, thank you. I don't want to smell it, touch it, come close to it. Because there's a scam coming as soon as he gets in. Because I think he lies. But what do I know? Every time there's a scam. He that tells you that, anyways, whatever. 27? Okay, at least you only have 12 shares though. At least you only have 12. We should. Can you let me take a look at Twitter. I just want to see what he said. Oh lordy. Lord have mercy. And the damn thing just keeps going down, lower. No signs. FUFU is at 15 now. Nice. Very nice. Let me go back to SHIBA. Yeah, SHIBA. Doge is at 17 now. Ooh. Yeah, Doge is at highs, guys. SHIBA is also testing the highs. So looking good, right? So looking good, showing a possible turn. Okay. Yeah, Doge is hitting highs. Well, had to get there at some point. Well, not 52-week highs, like highs for the day though. But it's gonna hit new highs today. 1720. SHIBA just tapped the highs again, just below 30. SHIBA and Doge walking down the streets, looking for monies. There goes SHIBA. SHIBA just made new highs. Doge is getting really close to those highs. Ooh wee, on site. Ooh wee, that's a nice pop. Doge is right there, still below. And fun just gave us another lower high, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high. So let's see. And maybe it can create a range for now and then give us a breakout later, you know? Give us a breakout later. And BTC is still sitting at the highs. I'm gonna leave it on. Oh yeah, there goes Doge. Doge just made new highs, guys. Doge just made new 52-week highs. So did Shiba. That's ooh wee. Doge is like, I'm back, baby. Well, once we get to 20 cents, maybe, but nah. Shibumskis? Well, sure. Fun looks like it's almost holding a double bottom at just above $13, so that's not too bad. We're gonna need to get back above like the 9 and the kernel and the 20 though. So there's some work to be done there for fun. Na, 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 na. So you know what's funny is, and we talked about this earlier, right? The CEO, the old CEO for Fun, left the company or fired or something, and then he was on StockTwits roasting Fun, trashing them. He's like, I built this company, and they're taking it to the ground, blah blah blah. And I knew that only added more fire to the damn stock, because then the current company is like, okay, you know what? Send it. Send it. Yeah, Bitcoin is going back to the highs there. Wouldn't that be dreamy? Yeah. Yes, it would be. There goes Bitcoin 666. Bump it. Look at that. There's so many sixes. Oh my goodness. Look at all those sixes. BTC, get rid of the sixes. Oh my goodness. There you go. It's coming back though. Oh my goodness, BTC. Ooh, there it goes. Oh my goodness. Tesla is now down $11, and the market is not even that. The market is not even that red. That's nasty. Nasty. Carter, your entry is 13. Getting ready to pump again. What is it at now, Carter? I haven't looked in a bit. You know what? I'll pull it up. Jag X, not Jag Z. Yeah, I mean, you're back to break even, right? So we talked about this one earlier, right? We said you had to stay above this level, right? And it did. And then higher low, and then kind of higher low, and then triple bottoms, right? For now, you have a problem. You know where you have a problem, right? You have a problem right there. Right here, we keep failing, right? Right there. We keep struggling right there, which is exact. Well, I mean, honestly, you're still kind of close to break even. So please make sure you have a stop loss. Please, 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 right? You were green. That thing went to 1380, right? It actually, oh, but yeah, 1380, and then twice now. So please set a stop loss. Don't go back to the abyss, please and thank you. Fun almost looks like it's gonna make a decision here soon. Like it's going to decide here soon. Soon. Good morning, D. In a few months. How about a few hours, Wes? Yep, there goes Fun with the pop. And it had tripled. What the hell? I mean, you know Bitcoin is running, right, D? So it's hard for Bitcoin to pump and Shiba not do anything at all. So there goes $14 for Fun. $14. $14. Interesting. Okay. On track for the highest close since March. Yeah, Harry. Pablo's been spamming that one a bit too. That thing's done so well. So well. You only need $14 to have some fun. Well, there you go. There's $14 and more, Freebo. $14 and more. Yeah, why didn't you take a short? Oh my goodness, that thing, does that thing ever go back up? It's gonna end up losing all those gains, isn't it? Oh my days. No consolidation, nothing, 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 nothing. Just straight abyss. Still averaging this bloody knife. Yeah, that thing just keeps crashing. Like no signs at all of like, you know, not wanting to go to the abyss. Don't do it, Justin. Oh my goodness. See, if this thing was going sideways, we could maybe, you know, take a position, but it's just going down. Lower and lower. Hard to buy stuff like this when it doesn't even find a bottom. Look at that, and it just hit a new low. Oh my goodness. While FUN is pumping. Look at FUN go. My goodness. No stop. Please use your stop losses. Yeah, almost a double bottom there. CM, almost a double bottom. So we have about another 30 minutes and then we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. So again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord because you are missing out already. So come join us. We're almost there, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. Right? There's still more than half of you guys that haven't smashed the like yet. So, well, not more. But you know what I mean. Anyway, so again, if you haven't smashed your like yet, I would really appreciate that. Please and thank you. Smash your like. And then we can stay longer if we get to 200 likes. How about that? If we get to 200 likes, we can stay for like an extra 30 minutes or something, or more if we have to. But alrighty, so smash a like if you haven't. Let's get to 200 and then we can stay. It's up there for the shorts, Harry. It's up there for the shorts everywhere, honestly. Everywhere, because everything is hitting highs on highs on highs on highs. Okay. 68, that's what you're looking for. Let's see. Come on, funsies. Yeah, Ocean lost some of those gains there, so it's retesting $3. Retesting the breakout basically. So retesting the breakout. That thing went all the way up to 370. Oof, what a run. What a run. Wow, I mean, so we just need to clear 30, right? So that's predictions. If we can clear 30, you're looking for 33 and then 35. So we're more so focused on the levels. Less predictions, more levels. Alrighty? Less predictions, more levels. Bitcoin just broke out again. Bitcoin is sitting on new 52-week highs. Look at that, 66,750. Right, as that's happening, SHIBA is bouncing. Doge is kind of bouncing, still sitting at 17. Wow, we. BTC. Wow, we. MSTR is at the highs of the day. Honestly, that thing is just a monster. If you bought some MSTR calls and you bought them like far out enough, you're just smiling. Every day you wake up and you smile because you're printing monies on Bitcoin rallies. Printing monies. counting monies. 40. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's annoying, Justin. Okay. Here you go. Hey, yo, Rugged. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Crypto. First green candle. Ooh. Get hyped. Oh my goodness. This is how when you're holding a bag, and the stock is down 99%, but it goes up 4%, like AMC, The bulls come out. Squeeze. That's how it starts, though, one green candle. We need to break above the 9, the blue line, but that's a start. Get hyped. I like it. Uh-oh. Is it, what is it doing? 2 years ago, 18 EV hype. It's been creeping lately. Okay, isn't Ford below $18 though, Kimbella? FUFU's going back up. FUFU's at 16. FUFU's at 1630, 1660. Ooh, FUFU. Ooh, FUFU. 1670, guys. Ooh, FUFU. FUFU's the best. So I bet you Olu is just scalping this thing today. Scalping it. $5. Okay, average is 469 now. Yeah, you're averaging down quite a bit. Yup. That thing really needs to consolidate, doesn't it? Like, really needs to consolidate. Really needs to consolidate. Supreme Court remains, yeah. Yes. Previewed. Is that a preview? Doesn't seem like a preview, does it? Uh, 11 minutes. Okay. Fed speaks. Three. Orlando, ayo. About the code ruling, he said candy corn. Oh, so he wasn't. 25% is crazy, Wes. Crazy. That's impressive. Very impressive. Did you buy some calls for SMCI blended? It's way below. Yeah. Way below. Bitcoin still looks amazing. Bitcoin just hit new highs. Oh wow, Dogecoin is hitting new highs too. Shiba's like, wait for me. Shiba is hitting new highs. Shiba is going for the 30 now. Doge is going to hit 20 cents, isn't it? Oh my days. Talk about bullishness in the markets. Doge is going to hit 20 cents. Well, maybe. 1750. And SHIBA is so close to 30. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But I won't hold. Fund can run tomorrow, but I won't hold after hours in pre-market. I mean, so if you're not holding overnight DP, then there's no point in guessing, right? Like if it's gonna run tomorrow, there's no need. You know, we just come back tomorrow and then see what it's doing, right? It really doesn't matter what it does tomorrow. We'll be here and we will see what it's doing. You know. Here we go. You know. Oh, look at these candles. Look at these candles on Doge and SHIBA. Doge is going for 18 cents. SHIBA is going for, you know what I mean, 30. Going for that magic 30 number. Oh, Doge is on fire now. 15%. SHIBA, 32%. SHIBA does twice what Doge does. Right? So 32% for SHIBA. Yeah, exactly that. Exactly that. Making monies. And so close. So close. 29.90. 29.90. Oh, it's gonna do it. 91. Come on. And we're backing off now because I think Bitcoin backed off a little bit. Yeah, a little bit there. A little bit on that candle. So not quite there yet. Not quite there yet, but looking good. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Look at that entry for fun, guys. Look at that. Again, this is the beauty of being a part of Discord, right? So $6.07. Your entry for fun. Fun is at $14 now. So congratulations, Obi. Look at that. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Amazing. Looks like Ocean is dipping. Maybe retesting that last pivot there. The last pivot, FUFU is amazing. Look at that thing go. The FUFU stock. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Choose. There we go. Okay, that stop loss should be good. Should be good. Oh, I see. Why does Eva keep pumping? Eva. Let me go back to FUN because FUN actually looks nice. FUN is breaking out again. Yeah, that 13 was the level for FUN. $13, double bottom, 14.15, right? So $2 higher. CM, congratulations by the way. Good job. Good job. I wish there was a sympathy play to FUN, but there really isn't. So we can look at DWAC, but DWAC is not really the same beast for that. For now, and then QNRX actually does look like it's trying to find a base, doesn't it? Yeah, it's actually trying. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's your chance, Justin. Maybe this will be the maybe hopefully. I mean, this is the first time it's actually done this. You know, it's actually the first time it's done that. If it can get back above the 9 and stay above the 9 and the chrono, so. It's so weak though, isn't it? It's so weak. Like the way it bounces, very weak. So just be careful. FUN is on fire again. On fire. What time is it? So we have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord and go do some other things. Alrighty. So unless we get to 200 likes, and then we can stay longer. But how did my FPL team do this weekend? Fairly well, you know, all things considered. Yeah, SHIBA does. Anyways, let's talk about more important things. SHIBA's retesting the highs. There's 30 for SHIBA. SHIBA just hit 30. SHIBA just hit $30. Yeah, there's still players left, so players are still left. So you know it's far from over. Far from over. Basically, I'm going to be in the same position that I was coming into the week, you know, which is not bad. Oh my goodness, SHIBA just broke out and said, ooh. Oh my goodness, SHIBA is pumping. Look at SHIBA go. Oh my days. SHIBA's like, you know what? I'm the captain now. Damn. SHIBA said boomskis. Dogecoin is just sitting there and chilling below 18, but SHIBA is pumping, going for 31. SHIBA said, hey, look at me. I'm the captain now. What's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin is going the opposite way, actually. SHIBA is like, I don't care. Look at me. I'm the captain now. SHIBA is still pumping. 36%, 37% SHIBA. SHIBA ranks. SHIBA ranks. SHIBA said, hey, look at me. FUFU's dipping again. It just keeps going back and forth. And FUN is still 1 penny. Everybody would be rich if that happened, you know? Penny. People would go wild. If SHIBA dropped another zero, oof. Wild, I'm telling you. Wild. Just another zero. Forget about a penny. SHIBA dropping a zero? My goodness. because that would get a lot of people in the green. By the way, a lot of people would be back in the green. All the people that FOMO'd on the last run, all back in the monies, and the hope would be restored. That's the dream. Yeah. There you go, Shiba. Shiba's back to the highs, 52-week highs, 37%. See what we mean though. Like Shiba runs better than Dogecoin does, right? Shiba runs better than Doge. Shiba again has a better community, that's for sure. Well, in terms of like utility, we mentioned that quite a bit. Jack X, are you still in the chat? Carter, are you still in the chat? Jack X is back to the highs, right? You're back to green here, so that's good. Right, it's going for 14 cents. So congratulations. Congratulations. Ocean is still dipping? Yeah, still dipping. Still dip skiing. So I see that thing can find a base above like the 90s, maybe. Maybe, perhaps. HDT, okay. Perhaps. Moving on. Shiba, look at Shiba. Look at Shiba, guys. Look at Shiba. Oh my goodness, Johnny. 39%. That thing hit 40% at the highs. Doge is still sitting there, like, hey, is it my turn yet? Is it my turn? Is it my turn? He hasn't mentioned FEO. That's all you need to know. Don't worry, Dan. Don't worry. Don't worry. There's a game today, and Pablo only has one player in that team. Once they enter the other team, Pablo, oof. I'm gonna come for Pablo. I'm gonna come for Pablo. You better hope there's no clean sheet or any goals from the defense. Don't worry, Dan. It's not over. The games are not done yet. Not done. I have 3 players left. Pablo has 1. What are the odds of me slapping Pablo? Very high. Very, very high. So very high. Money's on FUN, Doge and Shiba today. Congratulations, CM. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Make your life easier. Yes, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. Except in this case, though, today, there's still hope. There's hope. There's hope. Salty, welcome to Discord, by the way. Welcome. Welcome. So, and then, la la la. Come on, let me go back to Shiba since I think Doge is not Doge. BTC is dipping a bit, so then everything is kind of dipping too. So yeah, BTC, nice red candles. And with that, you have dipskis on the altcoins. Yeah, that's a nice pump for Ocean. That was a nice bottom too. Look at that bottom, right? 390, 290, 290, 290, and then pop. 290 and then pop. FUN is actually holding up really well. My goodness, that's impressive. Right, and then obviously that high is 1680. 1680. Yep, that was a nice pop. 320 resistance it seemed, a biker. The S&P is just confused. Just confused. But then again, it also looks like Bitcoin consolidate and then breakout. I wonder what happens though if the Fed comes out and said we're kicking the can down the road. You know, like if they say, okay, interest rates, don't worry, guys, no interest rates coming. Just stay. I wonder what happens. I wonder if we pump again. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, look at that. QNRX, what trash. Absolute rubbish doo-doo trash. Weak sauce. So yeah, maybe that 340, Justin. Maybe that'll hold for you. But that thing is ugly. Just down. Let me take a look yet. I might echo for a second. There we go. Oh, you're getting a 0-0 balance again? Uh-oh. The last time that happened, Bitcoin went for a fat dip ski. Uh-oh. 0-0 again? Why is it that every time crypto rallies, they have issues? Or maybe this time it's gonna pump opposite. 0-0. Huh, that's interesting. Yeah, 320 for Ocean, yeah. Anybody else getting 0-0s? Or they're just stealing CM's monies? Femi broke out. Femi. This is Dan's favorite stock. Dan's favorite stock. Ooh, 22%. Yeah, that was a nice breakout. Oh yeah, that thing was gone skis. Nice. So double tops. Very interesting. Yeah, we're dipping a little bit there. Retesting 30. Doge still above 17 though. You sold it and then it ran, Sham? Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Yeah. 228? Yeah, 230. Interesting, okay. Very interesting. Uh, 195. That's your entry. Okay, that's nice. That is very nice. Yep. Dipskis for fun. Dipskis for fun. La, la, la. Let's see if we can stay above 1440. Stay above QNRX. Maybe that 340 was the level, Justin. Maybe that was the level. BTCs are still dipping. Maybe that Coinbase thing is a problem. Maybe it's a problem. So let's stay for another 5 minutes or so, guys, and then we're gonna hop off. Alrighty, and then we can go back to Discord and go continue the party. Alrighty, again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty, come join us. come join us. And like I said, if we can get to 200 likes, then we can stay longer. But yeah, Jack X, yep, it held the bottom. It held the bottom. Bitcoin is dipping and SHIBA is like, nope, I'm not going below 30. So you can go on your own. Don't care. And fun with some nice red candles. Some nice dipskis. Yep, some profit taking for sure. Some profit taking into lunchtime. Thank you, Umar. Thank you. Thank you. FUFU is such a weird stock. That thing bounced off 14 again. The 14. Out of 200 watts? Let's go. I'm just scanning here, see if there's anything else we haven't looked at. Okay, perfect. Look at that. Look at SHIBA and Doge. I like when you see stuff like that. You know, when the markets are dipping, but then it dips and finds a base and then pops when the market turns around. That's a really good thing for SHIBA and Doge. Like Doge isn't too bad. You know, Femi and FUFU. Maybe these are names that we should. These are like. Anyways, they sound like pet names. Femi and FUFU. They sound like tribal names too, you know? Like twins. These are my sisters, Femi and FUFU. That's okay. Discord is fairly easy to navigate once you join. You just play around. It's easy to navigate. There goes 31 again for SHIBA. There we go. Is that thing back to green? Okay. Let's see. Interesting. Femi and FUFU. Yeah, Ocean is almost holding a higher low here above the 50 now, and the 20, and the Chrono, so that's good. Stay above $3, please and thank you. Stay above 3. Please and thank you. La la la. Let's see here. Yeah, so let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Yeah, Carter. Yeah, well, you're nice and green now, right? So, congratulations. Congratulations! If you hold this thing back to Carter, if you go back to 1160, I'm gonna ban you. I'm not even kidding. I will ban you. Okay? If you let this thing go back to red and you're red, I'm gonna ban you. So yeah. That pre-market high. This is your pre-market high. So I'm kidding, by the way, but not really kidding. So just make sure you set a stop loss, right? The higher it goes, you're up $100, you're up $50, you're up $10. I'm up $10. You know what? I'm gonna put my stop loss at $5. At least I know I'm gonna make $5. Oh, I'm up $100. Okay, I'm gonna set my stop loss at $60. At least I know I'm gonna make 60. So move that stop loss up. It's pumping nicely. So wow, that's actually not too bad. From 5 cents to 16 cents. That's not bad at all. Wow. Wow. Impressive. Cool. Very cool. Fun is still just going sideways here. Mm, Interesting. Let's go 15. Lori. So Lori has a stop loss at 15 cents for Jack X. Very nice. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. All it had to do was again sell off and then hold the bottom, right? So looks good. Very interesting. And there goes Ocean back to $3. Unbelievable. I'm gonna leave it on Shiba because Shiba is more fun. Shiba and Doge. Shiba just hit new highs. Shiba just hit new highs, guys. New highs. 41% for Shiba. Oof. Chores to do. Crystal. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Coinbase balance at 0 again. Oh my goodness, Lorenda. Let's go, Carter. Come on, keep eating monies. So there goes 32 cents for Shiba, 42%. And Doge is at what? Doge is at 14%, guys. Can you believe this? Doge is at 14%. Shiba is at 42%. Again, Shiba actually has. They're actually working. These guys actually do work, you know? Doge just spams tweets. Well, Doge doesn't even spam tweets. They're like, hey, just go up. There goes 42.50, 43%. Shiba's on fire now. Shiba's like, hey, look at me, I'm the captain now. Hey, look at me, I'm the captain now. $44%. You know what's interesting is like Shiba is actually leading Doge now. Shiba goes up, Doge follows. Right? Shiba hits new highs and then Doge is like, oh, wait for me. I'm coming too. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, Shiba, 45%. Ooh wee. Shiba is just sending it now. Shiba's sending it. That's impressive though. So again, congratulations. It looks, I hope we drop a 0. Drop a 0. 370 QNRX. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, finally. So that 340 was your level then, Justin. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ocean looks like it stayed above. Well, broke below, but FUN looks like it's looking for a double bottom. That was a nice short by the bot, by the way. Look at that short. Look at that short right there. It's in the red zone, so it's hard to see like when it says short. But look at the bot. The bot is like short this damn thing. Short it. Short. And then to the abyss side. So short. It's a nice little short. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Short. Interesting. Oh, there goes Shiba, 46%. 46. It's a very nice run. If you're holding Shiba, type in yes in the chat. Because I feel like most of you guys being a big nothing burger. Anyways, if you're holding Shiba, type in yes in the chat. It will 90 to 170. Lorena, yes. Camilla, yeah. 47%. At least Doge is hitting highs of the day now, though. It's going for 18 cents. yeah. Crystal, weren't you going? Oh my goodness. Yeah, Doge is at 18 cents. You have a big bag, buddy? Yeah. It was max there. Yeah, that thing said nope, nope, nope. 35 is your next level for TC. Yeah, 48% for Shiba. 48. Let me take a look at some of these other stocks here. What does the daily chart look like here now? Friday. Okay. You wish you got more? Yeah. And it said nope. 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 It's a Doge. FUFU? Yep. Yeah, Lorenda, looks like you are not Lorenda. Was it Lorenda that was holding that? I think so. Or Lori, maybe. Yeah. It will at some point. It will at some point. Maybe tonight. There's always the dip ski, you know? Always the deep ski, the deeps. So. Yeah, Doge is hitting new highs now. 18.10. Ooh. Doge is going to go for 20 cents, isn't it? Ooh la la. I like it. I like it. Doge and Shiba. Let me take a look. What's the volume on that dipski though? Yeah. And as indicator for you, there's a video in the education channel. So if you scroll up, there's going to be a video that explains like what the RSI is and like what it means. So over 70. See, this is one of those indicators that you have to combine with something else. So usually when you start getting to the 80s to the 100s, technically what that means is that it's overbought. Like it's like, oh my goodness, this thing is extended. Oh wow. Look at Shiba. Shiba's like, screw that. Shiba's at 80 and it's still pumping, right? So yeah, it's pumping, right? The RSI for Shiba, 80 and pumping. So, and then when it gets to like the 30s and the 20s, it's supposed to mean that it's oversold and it should be ready to go back up. But again, it's one of those things you have to combine with other stuff. To do your chores, Christo, at this rate? Yes, please. Yeah, Shiba hit a new high on that candle. But sometimes it's not always exactly, Eric, exactly. You have 460 million sheeps. 460 million sheeps. This is why Shiba can't go to $1. So when you're asking these, just know that people own 460 million sheep. So, yep. Yep. Drop and I will buy again. Exactly. 67%. Yeah. Everything is just pumping, guys. Look at these bubbles. Look at these bubbles for the day. Look at Shiba. Shiba is the top gainer. Bonk is up 74. This is the last 24 hours. Look at that, right? This is yeah, the last 1 second. Shiba. So many times I don't trust anything, Eric. Yeah, this is not the first time, we've had rallies like these ones, and it won't be the last time, enjoy the rallies, and then at some point we dip skis, and then we run again. It's just a constant yo-yo, right? So Bonk, Shiba, Pepe, Doge, FTM, and SATS. Okay, well, BTT. La 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 la. It's a nice run, very nice run. FUN is still just relaxing there, so and Bitcoin looks good still. Crazy runs, crazy runs. Look at BTC go. Regulator, something like that. You you lose your ass while sleeping or working or whatever. That thing. It only comes out at night. When you're sleeping. That's what happened to me. I had this nice leverage long position, right? Nice leverage long position in Matic, right? You know, uh, Obviously, like when you do that, it leverages your whole account, right? So that account had a few $1,000s in there, right? And then it's something like early, like in the like early hours, right? Obviously, still sleeping, and then I get a notification, like a whole bunch of notifications. That's message sending that I'm about to be liquidated. I was pissed. I was so pissed. Anyways, I was so pissed. Hey yo, Rick. Hey yo, hey yo. My goodness, look at Shiba. Shiba is going 52%. Doge is going for Doge pushed for 1850. I got entered in the middle of the night without Vaseline. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Oh my days. Anyways, yep. When you wake up with anger, I woke up with anger. Head guts. Anyways, yeah, Shiba is just going and going and going. No stopping. Slow and salty, yeah. Oh my goodness, I was so pissed. But anyways, yup. Yeah, it looks like QNRX is just an annoying stock. Ocean is back to 320 now, so that's nice. What are you thinking would be a good price, a low average for Shiba? Not well. I mean, Shiba is sitting at 52, like 2-year highs. So you're better off waiting for a dip at some point. It's gonna dip at some point. That will give you an opportunity. For now, especially if you're in already, you're still enjoying the gains, right? You're not missing on anything. Just buying at the tippity tops. Pretty good chance you ruin your average really quickly. And then if we dip, you're panicking now. So it's gonna dip at some point. The dips always happen. It always feels like the dips will never come when stuff is pumping, but they always come. So, ocean, nice pops there. Very nice pops. Looking la 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 la. Anyways, Astra Powers. It's been a while, Astra. Yeah, it's been a while. Good to see you. And I'm like, oh hell, 150 30 minutes. I'm taking profits. Let's go, Eric. Come on. Eric does a lot of that. Eric is like taking a shower, and then he hears us screaming about something, and then he runs and comes he makes quick monies, and then he goes back into the shower. Actually, he doesn't leave the shower. You know, I like it, Eric. I like it. Yeah, Shiba about to test new highs. What's fun doing? Fun is just consolidating here for now. The consolidations. Consolidating. Ta ta ta. Yeah, that's the criminal way. I have the phone with me in the shower. I like it. Yeah, Eric doesn't miss these runs, you know. Eric does not miss. And the S&P went from like testing the bottoms back to the highs again. Spies is just all over the place. Like it is so confused. So confused. I've made some of my best trades in the hallway or shower or even taking a. I know. I know. Love it. Love it. There goes Shiba. Shiba is hitting new highs of the day. Oh my goodness. Shiba is at 58%, 59%. Oh my goodness, guys. Shiba is on fire. Sheesh. My goodness, Shiba is on fire. Oh my goodness. Ooh wee. Talk about boomskis. They go 60%. They go 61. Shiba is not stopping. Oh my goodness, Shiba. Somebody called the my goodness. Yep, that thing is just going boomskis, boomskis, boomskis. La 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 la. Shiba just keeps sending it. La, la, la. 60% for Shibas. There we go. Look at the candle, Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Oh yeah, that thing finally broke out a little bit of fun. When is Doge gonna give us candles like that though? When's Doge gonna do that? Hey yo, Sheep Martin is here. Let's go, Martin. How are you? It's gonna pay for your wedding. When's your wedding, James? When's your wedding? Shiba's gonna pay for your wedding. Amazing. Eric, did you FOMO? He's in the supply closet. What's he doing? Making money. How is he making money in the supply closet? Who knows? Maybe he's selling feed pics in the supply closet. I don't know. Maybe he's watching OnlyFans. Nope. Little do you know, Eric is playing Shiba. Wow. Wow, 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 Eric. Okay, let's get rid of this one here. It's gonna pay for your divorce? Oh my goodness. Shiba's dipping. You guys are talking too much about weddings and whatnot, so DJ, ayo, ayo, Ty. Yo, yo, yo. It's a stealthy dude. He is. TMI. Ayo. Yeah, we're going for a bit of a dip. Again, the dip will always come. So, the dip skis will always come. Oh, that's a nice little bounce. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, Doge actually had a nice pop there with Shiba dipping. Doge is going back to the highs. 1850. 1850s. La Let's go, Zilly. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back, Zilly. Welcome back. These are all the crypto criminals coming back, guys. All the crypto criminals. La 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 la. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, Bonk has been on fire. Again, if we look at these bubbles, right? Like, Bonk is number 1, SHIBA is number 2, and then it's Pepe and Doge after that. This is the top 100 list now. So if I looked at a different list, we would see other numbers, right? We'd see other crazy. Look at Rats. Rats is up 36%, and then Trump is up 18%. Quantum or whatever that is. Rats. Look at Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Kishu. Look at this. 69% for Samu and Kishu. Samu and Kishu. Some of the funniest names. Then there's AI Doge, guys. AI Doge is up 51%. Yeah, FUN looks good. FUN is back to almost $15. Yep, that's a nice pop. A very nice pop. Nice. See if we can get a higher high at some point, though. A higher high. La la la. Let's see. Let's go. There you go. Yep. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, back to some of these other names here. So again, yeah, FUN looks good. FUN looks good. SHIBA, oof. Doge actually looks like it wants to test 20 cents. It doesn't it? That thing looks like it wants to test 20 cents. Testing the 20s. Interesting. 14. Okay, 1480. Okay, I see. Good job. Yeah, that was a nice entry. Yeah, 1420 was a nice little breakout. That's kind of where the bot went long too, actually. But then it took profit a lot sooner because that's what it's supposed to do. Yeah, like the bot just follows rules, guys. It just follows. It just follows rules, you know. Look at that, right? It's like, hey, I'm gonna short right there, right? Short right there. That little red thingy, right? So, and then it went long right there, right? And then it popped. So it just follows rules. It doesn't care about anything else. And it doesn't care about enjoying the whole move. It just wants like tiny profits. Tiny profits. tiny profits. Okay, let's see here. Does it? Yeah, there you go. Where do I see that? On my chart. On my charties. On my charties. Also, the bot realizes when it's wrong really quickly. Like really quickly. Right there. Look at SHIBA. Right? SHIBA, right there. Right? See that little red box? It's like, hey, I'm going to short this thing because we're sitting below the 9. I think it's about to drop. It went short. And then it's like, nope. Nope. No shorting. And then it went long right there. It's like, yep, I'm going to go long right there. Long. And then what happened? It went boom skis. Right? Boom skis. So, yeah. When the bot is wrong, it realizes that really quickly. Really quick. Yeah, Shiba is dipping now, so yep. Right, dip skis will always happen. We've had some really nice runs already. Some really nice runs. Yeah, I have to hop off in a minute or so and go do some other stuff. What's good for today's earnings? No. And you sold for a small loss. Yes, he did not. He knew it was coming. Anyways, we're gonna leave it here for today, though, guys. Well, for now, hell of a run, Virgo. Yep. We're gonna leave it here for now, though. We will be back later today. So again, turn on the notification bell. We will be back for sure, because it's Monday and the market seemed fun today. So, gonna do some other stuff and then come back. Okay. So we're gonna be in Discord. So if you want to come join us in Discord. Again, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and then click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. And if you do become a member, send me an email. Email is at the top, and I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. Alrighty? Cool. Be safe, all. Try not to FOMO. And let's keep making money. It's nice to see you too, Ty. Good to see you. We'll be back later. As soon as I'm done my one-on-ones, we'll be back. We shall be back talking about rubbish. Alrighty? Later, guys. Laters. Much love. Bye, guys. Bye.